Today we're making fried pasta or fried spaghetti, just as we have fried rice. Taste that, yummy. For the ingredients, as you can see, I will list them on the description box below. Just check it out there to see what I used for this sumptuous meal. Now this is a blended pepper mix, and the other seasonings that I used, everything is down in the description box, so don't get it twisted. Now, after I had prepared my fish, I boiled this pasta, this spaghetti, drain it, and we start the main cooking proper. These three are wonderful herbs and spice. You can't go wrong with them. You see garlic, turmeric, and ginger. They're wonderful. That is bay leaf. In case you haven't heard of it, it is also a very great spice, bringing something like, just like onions, it brings out the flavor in food. I just hope you are following these procedures, because I don't do by talk, I act. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I just poured in the stock into this fried tomato and mix and put the various cut ingredients too, and now the pasta, the spaghetti is right in. I stir everything in, cover for some time, allow it to cook. Oops. Finally, I'm actually adding my salt, and unfortunately nutmeg. I don't like to leave nutmeg out of dishes like this, so I got to add it, in as much as it's coming a bit late, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. Add the remaining ones. This thing help it to remain crunch and lovely. So our food is set. Guys, let me know what you think about this on the comment section, and endeavor to subscribe to this channel in case you haven't. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. Here I'm preparing the leaf vegetable. You don't go wrong with veggies, and especially when you make it this sumptuous. Oh my god, it is lovely, even when eating just on its own. I added crayfish too to this, so what more is served. What?